There's a moment in every trader's life when they think, what if a bot could do it better than me? I thought I was being smart. Outsourcing the emotions, letting AI handle the trades. But what I didn't realize was that some bots aren't here to help you win. They're just here to keep you playing. This is my story. 6 bots, 6 mistakes, thousands of dollars, and a warning for anyone who thinks trading automation is a shortcut to success, because it's not. These are the top 6 bots that failed me, and I want you to learn from my mistakes. 3Commas felt like the pro-level bot platform. Multiple strategies, trailing orders, smart trading tools. It looked at next level. And honestly, the interface, clean, the setup, smooth, the possibilities, endless, until reality hit. Here's the thing about 3Commas. The tools are there, but my results? That's where it gets messy. I use their DCA bots religiously. I followed top-rated community signals. I even paid for a marketplace strategy that claimed 30% monthly returns. Guess what I got? Not 30%, not 10%. I lost 25% in 1 month with a conservative setup. And then came the API leak incident. Yeah, users' keys were compromised, unauthorized trades, real losses, and even though they denied being the cause, the damage was already done. 3Commas taught me that having too many features means nothing if trust is missing. When I first saw Pionex GridBot, I thought, this is genius. Buy low, sell high, automatically. Let the bot print money while I sleep. In sideways markets, it actually worked for a while. But then came the volatility, and the GridBot, it didn't adapt. It just kept following the script. One time during a sudden dip in ETH, it bought the dip, then bought the next one, then the next one. And suddenly my quote currency was drained, my bags were full, and the price kept dropping. I realized something. GridBots don't understand news. They don't stop when CPI data drops. They just keep going. No stop loss, no override, no brain. Just a rigid machine obeying a broken command. TradeSanta markets itself like your trading buddy. Friendly UI, easy templates, cloud bots, perfect for beginners. Except, it's a not disaster if you actually rely on it. I tried setting up a long strategy on BTC. It entered beautifully. Then during a minor correction, it decided to open multiple safety orders, 7 of them, back to back. No spacing, no chill. It nuked my free margin. And then the price reversed. But I couldn't ride the rebound because Santa had already maxed out my budget and I was stuck. Narrator. No custom trailing, no adaptive logic, just preset triggers and chaos. And the community? Mostly silent. No support, just bots selling bots. Bitscap is like the dating profile that looks amazing until you meet them in person. In demo mode, I was unstoppable. Every bot was green, arbitrage opportunities everywhere. I was convinced I'd crack the matrix. Then I went live. Suddenly everything changed. Slippage, missed trades, API errors. And their famous arbitrage tool? Yeah, turns out it only works if you're a bot yourself, executing 100 trades per minute across 10 exchanges with 0 delay. Spoiler, I'm not. Bitscap made me feel like a pro, until it made me feel like a fool. Crypto Hopper is the classic case of too much hype, not enough heart. I got lured into their strategy marketplace. Some guy was selling a moon strategy for $49 a month. He had reviews, screenshots, even a Telegram group. I bought in. First week, flat. Second week, red. Third week, down 18%. I tried to contact him. He ghosted. The bot didn't fail. The people behind it did. And that's the danger with Crypto Hopper. You're not just trading with code, you're trusting strangers to write your trading rules. And most of them just want your subscription fee. Napbots promise stress-free passive income. You plug in your exchange, choose a strategy, and chill, and it actually looked relaxing. That's the problem. The strategies are locked. No transparency. No idea what logic they're using. No customization. Just blind faith. My account barely moved. Weeks of sideways action. Tiny gains. Then one market spike. Boom. Sudden 12% drop. No alerts, no recovery, just silence. Napbots made me realize that passive income isn't worth it if you're completely passive about your risk. I don't share this to bash these platforms. I share it because I believed in them. I wanted them to work, but trust in crypto is fragile. In automation, it's only as good as the human who built it. Don't treat bots like magic. They're tools, not oracles. They can help, but they can also hurt. And when they fail, they don't apologize. Test everything. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And never outsource your judgment to something that doesn't have one. These are the bots that failed me. Now you know what I didn't. So go ahead, automate your trades, but don't automate your common sense.